Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup property records using Microsoft OneDrive step by step clearly. Open your Microsoft OneDrive application on your computer. Log in using your Microsoft account credentials if prompted. Navigate to the folder where you would like to store your property records. If needed, create a new folder by clicking on the New button or right-clicking and selecting New Folder. Name the folder appropriately, such as Property Records. Open the folder you just created by double-clicking on it. Minimize the OneDrive window and locate your property records on your computer. Select the files you want to back up by clicking on them while holding down the Control key for multiple selections. Once your desired files are selected, right-click on them. Choose Copy from the context menu. Return to the OneDrive window and right-click in the empty area of the folder. Select Paste to upload your copied records. Wait for the files to upload completely, which may take some time depending on their size. To verify that your files are backed up, refresh the OneDrive folder. Check that all targeted property records appear in your OneDrive folder. You can also organize these files further by creating subfolders if necessary. Consider setting OneDrive to automatically back up specific folders from your computer for easier future access. Review the sync status in the OneDrive application to ensure everything is up to date. Your property records are now successfully backed up on Microsoft OneDrive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.